Yeah, if you do want to do a mailbox, I would do this through through some profile. You could, I don't know, draw something simple. This looks like a mailbox. Not very good, but it got a sense. So here I can do the planar surface, right? Planar surf. So generate that surface, and once you have the surface, I can extrude that surface, right? So I would have a little bit of thickness. This actually looks pretty bad. That's okay. That's a good start point, right? So have that mailbox. Actually, not too bad. Yeah, I think that's good. Then you want to do the mesh, right? Because I have a curved shape. When you do the mesh, so here you want to have a little bit polygons. Click OK. So that is the polygon version right here. So it's not completely looks like a box, but there are some really issues here along the edge. You see this is okay, but this part is break apart. I'm probably gonna delete that. I think using this one, yeah, I don't know. So you can just tweaking this model, just make sure keep the polygon number as low as possible. For texture mapping, you probably want to just do a solid black color. If you do want to have some details like red color or even a number, just do that in texture in Photoshop. I wouldn't do that in 3D. Okay. Also, if you need a wood pool, I would do a box instead of a cylinder, because anything like a column, like a cylindrical shape, will need additional polygons to make this look like a round. So if you can use a box, use a box. Don't using a cylinder shape. That makes sense. This looks pretty bad. I think I don't need this part actually. I think in the mesh, I know the Rhino is relatively limited, but I think in the mesh you could remove the mesh surface, mesh face, right? Yeah, you probably have to dig into it. I think there's some way you can delete individual face in Rhino. I think it must be here in the mesh editing. Delete mesh faces. So if I don't need some face, I think I don't need a lot of face, so I can just delete this face. Yeah, it's actually not bad. Okay, that looks better. Then you move this to the pool, right? So that is a mailbox. All right, I'll leave that to you. Okay, let's stop the recording.